If you go back to the scriptures in the Acts of the Apostles, you'll see that St. Paul and many of the apostles, they were asking for support, for faith, and for prayer. And a lot of times when we think of church, we think of collections, we think of money, we think of all of the things we have to do to maintain what we already have. But our vision really, as Catholics, as Christians, needs to be towards the future. What do we think we're going to be looking like 5 years, 10 years, 20 years from now? How can we grow that faith? And that's really what Reigniting Our Faith is all about. I know it's been titled as a capital campaign. Now, some people say, what's the difference between this and the annual Bishop's Appeal or our weekly collections? Most of these are for basic maintenance. I want to move from maintenance to mission, to think of our church not only as like a museum that has beautiful objects in it that we want to maintain, but actually a people fired with a mission, to be able to take that gospel on the road wherever we go. My prayer is for each and every one of you to be generous with your prayer, with your time, with your talent, and whatever resources God has given you. But most of all, to recognize you have a beautiful story to tell and to tell the good news.